guys! Welcome back to another vlog. We're heading back to Manila na, and I did not put on any makeup just to let my skin breathe. Kasi 3 days na yata ako dire-diretso ako makeup. So, yan. Finally home! Yay! Tapos may mga package na dumating. Kinuha ko sa baba. And yan, yung mga dinala ko. Ang dami, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was a really fun trip with the girls. I cannot wait for the next one with Mark. So today, we're just gonna run errands. Tapos, film. We have to film. I'm going to the mall, guys. So kaha-pick up lang ng laundry because I wanted stuff to go na, as in errands matapos talaga ngayon. Kasi I usually like procrastinate, and ang mangyayari is bukas na lang, and all of that. So, yun. Ginawa ko na yun. And then, my ilaw is still broken. Hindi ko pa rin mapalitan kasi nga wala nga akong ladder. Nalaglag pala tong picture. OMG. Nalaglag. Ito ata yung maingay kanina. Anyway, I'll put that up later. Yay! I have my printer back na. So, my sister uses for her thesis. Tapos, ayan, binalit na niya. Bongga yan. Tapos, I emptied my luggage na from Zambales. We have a couple of new stuff here from the mail. And as you can see, may bago tayo ito try. It's called My Slim. I've been hearing lots of good things about that lately. Tapos, meron tayong something from Vaseline. Very timely kasi sobrang dry ng arms ko from the beach talaga. So this is the Intensive Care Spray Moisture Truvaness. Then I got swimwear from Jazz Clothing. Online store siya with my good friend Jazz. And then a couple of crop tops. And ayan, super cute. Very timely for all the beach trips. And look what finally surfaced, guys. It's my Fujifilm Instax Mini 8. Nakala ko na wala na forever. I've been looking for this for like 2 years na, at ngayon lang siya lumitaw. Nakakaloka. Love it! So, I had dinner at home. Tapos, yun, spent time with family. I missed the dogs and my sisters and my mom and dad. Super fun. And we watched a movie, Four Sisters in a Wedding. Kasi nga wala akong TV dito. And I really love watching Tagalog movies. You know? Nakaka-relax. Anyway, dumating na pala ang Delicious Diet. I look like sobrang pawis na pawis kasi ang init. Yeah, dumating ang Delicious Diet kanina. And this is for tomorrow. I haven't taken photos yet, so ipopost ko tomorrow. So, comment below and let me know if you guys have tried that Delicious Diet. Super okay siya. And people have been asking me lately kung anong ginagawa ko kapag may mga events. So, pag may events talaga, hindi ko siya mapipigilan. I need to eat sa events and even, you know, eat out sometimes. But, you know, pag normal day lang, I stick to my Delicious Diet kasi nga, full meals, calorie counted, and sarap. Here are the meals for today's Delicious Diet. We have breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. I'm gonna heat this up. Nummy! Potato cups yata to. Love it. So, I just got back from running errands outside, and when I came back, grabe, I was so surprised. I received a bouquet of roses or flowers. So, sabi ko, I thought it was from a PR company. Tapos, chinek ko yung letter. It's from Mark! Kasi this morning, kasi I was having a bad start. So, I was telling Mark about it. Thank you, B! Medyo wrong spelling lang yung name mo dito. Noon Mark. But yeah. Natuwa ako dito ha. I love it. And look what I finally got myself, guys. So it's definitely time for an upgrade. And I got the EOS 70D. So this is exactly the same as the one that Ann Klutz is using. And yun, I asked Ann din nga kung okay ba talaga ito. Kasi ito yung talagang plano kong bilhin. And seeing her videos naman and, you know, getting her feedback, super bongga daw. So, I'm so excited to start filming using this. And I got this one from Quiapo, Mayor Quiapo, kasi dun siya pinakamura compared sa mall. Sa mall kasi 46,000. I got this for 42. And then, meron na siyang free na bag. And then, 8 gig class 10 na SD card. So, I'm so happy. I love it. My second SLR. Bongga. So beautiful. So I'm finally using all Canon cameras na. I'm so happy. Ano lang pala to? Kit lens lang pala to. But I think it's okay. Maganda naman siya. So okay lang yan. Yes! Time for lunch. We have to heat this baby up. This looks so good, guys. Look at that. Chicken. I took a nap this afternoon and I woke up at 1 a.m. guys. Oh my gosh. 1 a.m. But now I'm up just to do some work before I go back down to sleep. 2 a.m. na actually. And the latest Game of Thrones episode just went out. Pero hindi ko siya pwede panoorin kasi I'm still on episode 8 of season 1. Kakapanood ko pa lang. And Mark is going to bring over like, you know, lahat ng seasons para panoorin ko na siya. Hindi sa internet because it keeps on loading. So I'm still waiting for that. Hi everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So it is now 5 a.m. I have been up since 1 a.m. I had a good sleep naman pero I couldn't fall asleep na after that. I was supposed to go back down after editing. But then again, I went ahead and like did chores around the apartment. And I've been drinking my lemon water. As in, super duper sarap niya. I haven't drank like regular water after this. Lahat may lemon talaga because it's so refreshing. So, I am still doing some work online and then after that, I'll be filming videos. So, I'm up early. I love it. I will be able to do a lot of things today. So, oh my God. Breakfast for today, guys. Yumminess. Again, it's from Delicious Diet. I was able to sleep for a bit. Tapos, I have a couple of paperworks on the floor. Kailangan kong ayusin yung mga yan. And just uploaded a new video. Now I'm watching It's Judy's Life. Hi everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So today's makeup look is super duper simple. I only have my foundation, powder, brows, mascara. I'm using the latest from Maybelline. It's the Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. I'm doing a video on this later on. Tapos for my lip color, I'm using the Lipaholic by For You to Cosmetics. I'm actually gonna go over to the mall to check out the price kasi I forgot na kung ano yung price niya. It's very affordable though. As in, super ganda na niya. Very creamy and very matte on the lips. Tapos, what I like about it is that it's super duper creamy talaga. It goes on very opaque. Ang ganda ng color niya. Very pigmented. And yan. Ganda. And it's for everyday talaga yung color na to. Number 2 siya. Shade number 2. Ganda lang. Fresh ng peg. I also have a new blog post up on my blog, saetyoko.com, and it's all about the Vaseline Intensive Care Spray Moisture. So I used this on my arms. I've been using it for like a couple of days now, and it's super duper convenient kasi it's a spray. It has a spray nozzle, so it evens out like it deposits an even amount of the moisturizer on your skin, and super duper perfect for the summertime kasi nga, diba? After exposure, sun exposure, your skin tends to feel very dry. So this is really handy and I love it. It's non-greasy. It is easily absorbed by the skin, so wala kang icky feeling after using it. So if you want to go watch or read my blog or review about it, I'll have the link down in the information box. I am meeting a friend from Macau. We'll be meeting in SM Manila. Actually, Uber is on its way. And I prepared a little gift basket for her. So we actually just met online. I haven't met her in person yet. But her name is Joanne. And I prepared this little gift basket for her. So I have like a couple of stuff in here. Ang dami actually. May mga face mask, my favorite sugar tint, yung lip color yan. Mascara, they're real. Biore, love it. I hope she likes this. Hi, Joanne! Mali, hindi pala tayo first time mag-meet. Kasi sabi ko kanina first time. Joke lang. 4 years ago yung last na meet namin. At mag-open na siya ng gift box. O, diba?
Wow.
Go, Joanne.
Wow, so many skincare. So, wait, I like this one.
Na-try mo na yan?
Nakikita akong ginagamit niyo.
Maganda yan, girl. Try mo yan, girl. At wala yung pang iba. Of course, no? Anyway. We're here at Bo's Coffee. We're just gonna have coffee tapos mag-ano kami. Nails. Actually, ako pa. John got me some face masks. Oh my gosh. Ito yung brand, no? Berry Some. Korean brand siya. Ang dami. Oh my gosh, guys. You know how much I love face masks. Tapos may mga ano pa, mga animals. Cutie, cutie. Oh my gosh, cute. Cute. Oh my god, ano to? Doggy. Oh, cute. Ang dami. Tapos iba-iba siya. Iba-ibang mga... Ay, shucks, may clown pa, girl. Horror mask. Oh, I love that. Cat wrinkle. Siya, super cute. Konti lang ganito sa amin dito eh. Actually, parang wala pa nga. Konti lang. Mga panda lang, ganyan. Thank you so much. I love it. We're here at Nailholics. We're gonna get our nails done. Actually, pedicure. Love it. Having fun with Joanne.
Yay!
Anong tawag sa'yo? Anong nickname mo? Wala? Anne? Joanne? Joanne talaga. Ayan. Tignan niyo yung, nasa ano kami yun? Anong tawag dito?
May curtain.
Yeah. Tapos, kakagala namin ng Payless. Bumili ako ng dalawang Kasi, meron silang buy one, get the second pair for 50% off. Pakita ko sa inyo later. Wait. And this is the new branch of Nailholics here at SM Manila. Same company pala ang Nailholics at ang Hey Sugar. Works. Pero I love Nailholics, so yun talaga. First time mo dito, girl?
Yes.
Magustuhan mo. At ano yung fun fact ni Joanne? From Macau kasi siya. So wala ba sa Macau na ano?
No.
Meron, pero...
Yeah. I'm shy. We have these kinds of services in Macau, but it's very expensive.
Like how expensive? Magkano siya?
Maybe 3 times expensive than here. Yeah. So yeah, it's better to do it here.
So, lalagay ko yung link ng YouTube niya sa info box. Check it out. Ayan, sea salt scrub. Basta mabango siya.
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Kaya
I love it. Yeah.
Mabango.
Ayan. Bongga.
Yeah.
Ang liit ng paa ni Joanne, 5.5. Akin 9. Akin 9. Clerks. Ayan, nail polish time. Tapos na ang painful part. Did you have fun?
Yes. The massage. Naku, napaka-relaxing.
Love it. Next time, dali natin si Joanne sa Bugis. Kasi gusto niya matry. I really love Joanne's hair. Ano to, girl? Digital pearl. Meron sa Tony and Jackie, girl. Gusto ko ng ganitong texture. Gusto ko ng ganito. Kasi may body, oh. Actually, sister ko nagpa-digital perm din. Ganda rin. Finally, back home, guys. So, I had dinner at my parents' house kasi si mama na nagluto. Tapos, Joanne is already on her way home. Nag-Uber siya. Binuko siya ng Uber kasi she was supposed to take the taxi. And you guys all know how dangerous it is to take taxis here in Manila, and I couldn't risk it. Ayokong mag-taxi siya kasi malayo pa yung inuwian niya. Anyway, I wanna show you guys yung mga binili ko sa Payless. Kasi nga, buy one, get the second pair for 50 off. Pero ang downside doon, yung lower price yung gagawin nilang 50 off. So, yeah, ito yung una kong kinuha. I think it's perfect for like casual day out lang. This was $7.95 divided by 2. Yun yung price. I was supposed to get the white one, pero wala nang stock, wala nang 9. So, yung 8 masyadong maliit, yung 10 sobrang laki naman. So, I settled for the gold one, rose gold yung color niya. Cute naman, I think it's perfect for the beach, diba? Then this one naman, Dex Flex Comfort. Yun yung pinaka-favorite line ko sa Payless kasi may cushion siya sa floor or sa sole. Ito yung itsura niya. I think it's cute. Diba? Parang very ano lang, bongga. May konting, may konting heel, so it's okay. This was for 1,250, so ito yung regular price. Pero I like it. Size 9. I think it's very, classic looking. And then, let's open ito, yung gift sa akin ni Joanne. Thank you so much, Joanne! So, na-vlog ko na kanina yung mga binigay niyang face mask. So, we have a couple of those. Mura lang daw sa Macau. Bongga, no? Tapos, first, ito puro snacks to. Girl, thank you, ha? My gosh. Lancaster Caramel Soft Creams or Creams. Oh, papatabain ako, girl. Okay, next we have Pepero. Double dip. Meron sa Philippines yung double dip. Bongga yan. The cheese rolls. Parang hindi ko pala try ito. Bongga. We also have here the Glico Tomato Pretz. I love that. We have a couple of snacks. Ang dami. Pocky! Yummy. Gold Emblem. Oh, shucks. Fruit slices. Ayan. Tapos, oh, seaweed. Thank you, Joanne. I love seaweed. Roasted seasoned lover. Love it. Then, we have Nerds Rainbow. Oh, yummy. We have another pepper roll and then Pocky. Thank you so much, Joanne. So Joanne is, she also has a YouTube channel. So I'll put the link in the information box so you guys can check it out. Nagiging regular daw siya mag-vlog. So bonggang-bonggang. I had so much fun with her. The last time I met her, 4 years ago pa. Kaya siguro nakalimutan ko kanina. Diba sa start ng vlog, sabi ko never pa kami nag-meet. Mali yun. My bad. Joke lang yun. 4 years ago pa. So, yeah, anyway, that's the vlog for today. I was supposed to, like, come home earlier to film, but, you know, napasarap kami sa SM Manila. So, yeah, that's it for today's vlog, guys. I'll go edit na, and then that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!